Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is CS Dipali Mahapatra and today we are focused on a specific notification issued by Ministry of Corporate Affairs where Ministry has issued a very good and attractive schemes, that is companies compliance facilitation schemes, under which there are many forms are exempted for with reduced fees, as so it is kind of good and attractive notification issued by Ministry of Corporate Affairs for all the companies, so that companies is easy to file all the pending forms, but some are subject to condition. There are not it is not included all the forms, there are some excluded forms. So let me revise what exactly are the forms included under these schemes or fall under these schemes. Number one, MGT 7, MGT 7A, AOC4, AOC4 CFS, AOC4 NBFC, AOC4 CFS NBFC, AOC4 XBRL. It means all the annual filing form related forms, that is MGT 7, 7A, including small company, and AOC including NBFC AOC and consolidated financial statement and XBRL filing. So first of all, very good news for all the companies who have pending filing. Still they are pending and still they are running with the pending filings, annual filings. So quickly file with this under these schemes. Now the next part is ADT1. Specifically, so many queries are coming up that whether ADT3 is included or not. No, especially it is instructed that only ADT1, that is for auditor, and apart from auditor there are several forms, that is FC3, FC4, and apart from that 20B, Form 21A, 23AC, 23ACA and 23AC XBRL, 23ACA XBRL and Form 66 and Form 23B. सो ध्यान रहे ये इन फॉर्म्स के अलावा बाकी कोई भी फॉर्म्स में कोई कटौती नहीं है, सिर्फ ये सारे फॉर्म्स में आपको काफ़ी रिडक्शन मिल जाएगा फीस में. नाउ दो इफ़ वी टॉक अबाउट द फीस, द परसेंटेज ऑफ द फीस इज इट इज़ अबाउट एनुअल फाइलिंग पे 10% है एंड 10% ऑफ टोटल एडिशनल फीस पेबल. इट मीन्स जो नॉर्मल फीस है वो है, सपोज नॉर्मल फीस इज़ योर 600, दैट इज़ as it is charged earlier, so it is normal fees. Now normal fees के साथ मोस्टली जो ADT1 सपोज आप फाइल कर रहे हैं एंड नॉर्मल फीस आपका 600 है, बट एडिशनल फीस आपका 3600. नाउ उस 3600 पे 10% आपका डिस्काउंट, एक तरीके से कहेंगे हम लोग डिस्काउंट मिल रहा है. नाउ 36 मीन्स 3600 का 10% जो है 360. सो 600 प्लस 360, नाउ 960 में एक ADT1 फाइल हो जाएगा. सो इफ़ेक्टिव पीरियड की बात हम करेंगे तो इफ़ेक्टिव पीरियड है आपका 15 अप्रैल से